Hi class, today I would like to show you how to create search folders. If you have any recent searches, you can find them by clicking inside the search bar. Your recent searches are going to show up here. But if you have done a lot of searches, you may find an older search has been pushed off the list for newer ones. If you do a search regularly, you can save it in a search folder. You can create a search folder right from here. This bar is not just a search bar. It's also an action bar. If you are looking to do something such as create an email signature, create an email, if you prefer to type rather than click, you can come to the search bar and type what you are looking to do. For example, I will type search folders here. And under actions, I can click new search folder. This is going to create a saved search that I can run anytime if I need to. And I don't have to worry about its disappearing off the recent search list. There are some pre-designed searches that I can create. For example, unread mail, any messages that I have flagged for follow-up, or mails that are important. I can also choose at the bottom to decide who I want that mail that was sent to and received from. Large email or old emails. I can have all my mails with attachments show up in a particular search folder. I'm going to show you guys how to create a custom one. So scroll down to the bottom and click Create a Custom Search Folder. I will go ahead and click Choose to specify criteria. I can start by giving my custom search folder a name. I will call this PCC Senate because I want all the emails that are PCC Academic Senate. So I will click criteria so that I can select what's going to be in the search folder. I can search for a particular word that's in the subject. I will type academic Senate board meeting. I can search for a particular word that's in the subject, or I can click the down arrow and choose something that's in the subject and message body. In this case, I will search for the word Academic Senate Board Meeting in the body and the subject field. I can also specify messages that contain the words Academic Senate Board Meeting, and it's from a particular person or sent to a particular person. I can fill out as much or as little of the information as I want, although it's important to know that it's going to stack up these criteria, which means as long as I have the words Academic Senate Board Meeting in the message bodies or subject, it's going to continue looking for any other choices that also have the same criteria that I specify in here. Let's go to More Choices. From here, I can choose messages that are particular category or only items that are read or unread. Items contains with one or more attachment. And this time I want to search all the emails regarding to Academic Senate Board Meeting with or without attachment. So I'll uncheck that. I can filter and customize any of these items and stack them. For example, my search could be Academic Senate Board meeting and only items that are unread. I will click OK. And I will change the name of the custom search folder to PCC Academic Senate Board Meeting Unread. And I will click OK. And I will click OK one last time. And my search folder has been created in our folder pane. Currently, there are 3 unread emails in our search folder, PCC Academic Senate Board Meeting. Okay, so just watch when I'm clicking the inbox of PCC email, my 3 unread mail will become 2 because currently this 11:32 a.m. mail is selected and it's being displayed also in my reading pane. So when I click away, click my inbox, notice my PCC Academic Senate Board Meeting has down 3 to 2 unread emails. Okay, so this was one of the unread, and because it was highlighted inside the search folder and it's been read, so now this is being clear of the search folder. Okay, looking at Judy Benson, this email arrived at 3:10. It is also Academic Senate Board Meeting. If I right click this email and mark as unread, okay, it's going to bring it back to an unread status. And if I go back to my Academic Senate Board Meeting unread search folder, it's going to show up right here. The 3:10 Academic Senate Board Meeting is showing up right here in our PCC Academic Senate Board Meeting unread search folder. This is helpful because now I never have to worry about missing any important email about Academic Senate Board Meeting. How to deal with junk mails. Spam and junk mails are unavoidable parts of having an email account. Select the email you might want to mark as junk. Hover your mouse over the junk mail. Right-click and hover over to junk and click block sender. The sender will be added to the blocked sender list and the message will be removed and put into the junk email filter. Sometimes you will receive a confirmation message asking you to confirm if you are certain you want to add this sender to the blocked senders list. And you can go ahead and check the box and click OK. Now, this will be placed in the junk or spam folder depending on who your mail provider is. The folders might be called something different. It's commonly called junk mail, or spam because I am currently in my Gmail account, so it's called spam. And let's head over to my spam folder to find out our non-spam emails are not misplaced in the spam folder. I will click the right point arrow next to Gmail to expand my Gmail folder. Here I can see my other Gmail IMAP folder, such as draft, sent mail, trash, important, spam folder. If I click on spam, I can see what we just added. But there is something here that's very clearly not spam. I can right click on it and hover my mouse over junk. And at this time, we scroll to the second one from the bottom, choose not junk. the message will be moved back to the inbox folder, and I can choose to always trust this person so that it will never get marked as junk again. And I will click OK, and when I go back, and the message from my spam folder will now be placed in my inbox. Let's go ahead and check Google Inbox. Scroll all the way up, and when we go back to the inbox, we will see the email in the right date and time spot that it was received. At any time, you can go into your junk email setting and add or remove people from your block list. From the Home ribbon tab in the Deletes group, click the down arrow next to Junk and scroll down to choose Junk email options. The first thing you can decide is the level of automatic junk email protection you will start with. Outlook defaults to not filtering any junk for you, which means you will have to right-click the message and select junk mail. However, you can go through these options and choose the one you are most comfortable with. I will recommend choosing low, which means I choose to let Outlook automatically flag things that are very obviously junk messages. And on the Save Senders list, click that. This is the list of email addresses that Outlook will always accept incoming mails from. I can manually add somebody to this list by clicking Add. And enter the email address and then click OK. I can also remove somebody by clicking their name and click Remove. Just like there is a Save Sender list, there is also a Block Senders list. Let's click Block Senders list. This is people that Outlook will always block message from. If you have the same address on both lists, like I do here, I have May10178@yahoo.com in my Block Senders list. I also have the same May10178@yahoo.com in my Save Senders list. So if you have the same address on both lists, Outlook will use the name on the Save Senders list first. But I can highlight this name from the Block Senders list and choose Remove. I will click OK here. And now we know how to deal with junk mails. Thanks for watching.